Hello from St. Max. Here is late night, and the rest day gone, and tomorrow I will work and searching around and trying to find out things to fit the bike, And also I just repair it because this morning. Uh, Old man with the electric trike make me fall, and I scratched the bike. I bent the shifter and the shifter lever, and I scratched a little the bike, and my legs also, and my elbow, but it's okay. I'm safe. I had the helmet, fortunately. Drink water is more healthy than everything else. I want to drink water for a while. So, I just made this bag setup. I don't like really much the bike the bike packing system. I prefer a kind of bike packing system. I'm not also a really fan of the panniers, especially for forward bike, but I like kind of a bike packing setup with racks and bags. It is also cheaper because if you want a very good bike packing setup with racks, it costs a lot of money. But if you can find some bags can be used and some racks can be used for this purpose, it will be cheaper for sure. Okay, in front I have this Rhino Walk 18-liter bag, waterproof. Really nice. It has the latch to attach, with the bayonet. Also, we have this waterproof fork bag, and I fix them also to the leg of the front rack. In this way also I have the handle more clean, and I can use better with different hand position. We change something in the back. We put this old bag, waterproof, quite nice. I have from Rocco Bros, and also the other Rauhahu. Rauhahu is an impronounceable name. And I also put this another bag on the top tube, okay? Because you can't fit it because the tube go very low, so it is not a problem if you go down the saddle, okay? It doesn't disturb you. Okay, now we go to see a close look to the bike. Okay, let's go. We go from the front. And as you see here, you can see the bag from the Rhino Walk and the other two bags over there. The light is a USB light. I just buy a power bank today with two USB outputs, so I can use these two lights. Then we move. You can see this bag is waterproof, adventure bag, and they are pretty cool, not very big, but also really useful, and they have a lot of attachment. Here we have the frame bag and two bags on the tube, top tube. Here the saddle is a really comfortable saddle there. From Proplan is a brand of Taiwan. They made this leather saddle, and they are nice, durable, and also comfortable. And then when we go to the back of the bike, we have this Rock Bros bag, waterproof. You can put also a helmet or other stuff on the top of this. And also we have this other bag fit on the seat post and the seat post tube. And you can put some shell inside, something you need for the trip. Also we have this lateral bag, and we have something also here to fit something nice, you see. And in the end, we have this light. This light I fit on the bag. So let me know if you like it. Comment, like, subscribe, share, and follow the channel and the playlist. You know, I don't make only video about bicycle. I make video about in this channel bicycle, China culture, Chinese food, and adventure. Okay? Thank you so much, and see you next video. Subscribe.